imagine it's pretty gratifying to play at this level against a team that you know wants to slow you down and still do all the things offensively that make you a very good team.
Yeah, they slow things down. We want to get in the 80 and a 90-point game. We want to get in 100 and 100 plus. So we did a good job of stopping rebound. I think everybody rebounded tonight from every guy that stepped on the court. Got out in transition, got some easy layups, 3 balls, and just played our game, our brand of basketball.
What you guys did in the fourth quarter, you and Jeremy, super aggressive, a lot of attacking the basket. Is that pretty much ideal for what you guys would like to do?
That's what we're here for. That's why we're in Houston, to be aggressive and to make plays, and not only for ourselves, but just for our teammates as well. Guys knocked out some big shots. Chandler, had a double-digit assist game, maybe 6 or 7 rebounds. Just guys did it all tonight, not just one thing.
You guys controlled the game for the most part, and they went on runs. You guys stayed in, and you personally didn't have any turnovers this game. How does that feel?
Wow. No, I mean, we knew they were going to go on a run. They're a very good team. We just have to keep our composure and kind of just run our offense and do what we do. As far as me not turning the ball over, it feels good just to not give away easy points.
We'll all talk about spacing. There are moments and times that kind of slips away from you guys. What's been the key to getting it back to where you want it to be and having the sort of offensive flow that you've had the last couple games?
Guys are getting out in transition and running, getting to the corners, getting to our spots where we need to be effective. I think in that drought, guys are just all over the place on top of each other balls. But we get to the corners and things like that.
Before he mentioned it, did you know you had a 0 turnover game?
I felt good. I felt like I wasn't giving the ball away. So.
Is that something you're a little more cognizant of the last couple of weeks? Obviously, it has been a big number.
Yeah, it's been a tremendous big number. Just doing too much and trying to make the home run play instead of making an easy play. Trying to get into a groove and getting back into that.
How big is it to score the way you guys did tonight, also dominate the paint and the rebounds?
It's good. We're versatile. We got a lot of guys. O did a good job of controlling the boards. Like I said, everybody rebounded well. Everybody made shots. We had 30+ assists. So, when we get that, I think everybody gets the credit and everybody feels good about each other.